Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please remember that what follows is based on my personal experience using the platform. Rover is a robust stock screening and research platform situated at stockrover.com. This website provides investors with the tools they need to make informed decisions, offering a comprehensive suite of features for analyzing stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. From screening for specific criteria to in-depth research and portfolio management, Rover aims to empower investors with data-driven insights. The platform boasts a powerful screening engine that allows users to filter through thousands of securities based on a wide range of factors. These include financial metrics, valuation ratios, technical indicators, and even analyst ratings. You can create highly customized screens to identify investment opportunities that align with your specific strategy and risk tolerance. This advanced filtering capability helps investors narrow down their choices and focus on potentially promising investments. Beyond screening, Rover offers detailed research capabilities. Users can delve into individual stock profiles to access comprehensive financial data, historical performance charts, analyst estimates, and news updates. This in-depth information helps investors gain a deeper understanding of the companies they are considering. Furthermore, the platform facilitates comparative analysis, allowing you to evaluate multiple stocks side by side to identify relative strengths and weaknesses. Rover also provides portfolio management tools that allow users to track their investments, monitor performance, and analyze asset allocation. This feature is especially useful for investors who want to keep a close eye on their holdings and ensure their portfolios remain aligned with their investment goals. The portfolio tracker can provide insights into diversification, risk exposure, and overall portfolio health. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Rover offers a range of features to support your investment journey. Its user-friendly interface combined with its powerful analytical capabilities makes it a valuable resource for anyone looking to navigate the complexities of the stock market. With its diverse set of tools and comprehensive data, Rover can empower investors to make more informed and confident investment decisions. Again, you can find the link to Rover in the description below.